Hey there, foodies and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of culinary delights and explore the unknown facts behind your favorite dishes. Today, we have a special treat for you as we uncover the mysteries surrounding one of Morocco's most beloved and iconic soups, Harira. So, grab a seat and get ready to be amazed. Harira soup is a dish that holds a special place in Moroccan culture and cuisine. While many of you may have tasted this flavorful soup, there are some lesser-known facts about Harira that will leave you astonished. Historical origins. The historical origins of Harira. This soup has a rich history dating back centuries. It's believed that Harira was first introduced to Morocco during the 7th century by Arab conquerors. However, it underwent significant transformations over the years, incorporating various ingredients and flavors from different cultures, including the Berbers and Jews. Today, it stands as a symbol of Morocco's diverse culinary heritage. Versatility. The incredible versatility of Harira. While Harira is often enjoyed during Ramadan to break the fast, it's a year-round staple in Moroccan households. It's not just a soup, it's a hearty meal in itself. People customize their Harira with a wide range of ingredients, including lamb, chicken, chickpeas, lentils, and various spices. This adaptability makes it perfect for any occasion. Nutritional powerhouse. Harira is a nutritional powerhouse. This soup is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It's packed with protein from the meat and legumes, making it an excellent source of energy. Plus, it's loaded with vitamins and minerals from the tomatoes, herbs, and spices. No wonder it's a go-to dish for nourishment during Ramadan. Symbolism. Harira's symbolism. In Moroccan culture, Harira is more than just a soup. It carries profound cultural and religious significance. It's a symbol of unity, family, and hospitality. During Ramadan, families come together to prepare and share Harira, reinforcing bonds and spreading love. Secret ingredients. And finally, the secret ingredients of Harira. While there are countless variations of Harira, every cook has their own secret ingredient or technique that sets their soup apart. Some may add a hint of lemon zest for a citrusy kick, while others might use a unique blend of spices passed down through generations. The magic of Harira lies in these hidden gems. Regional variations. Regional variations of Harira. Just like any iconic dish, Harira varies from region to region in Morocco. For example, in coastal cities like Casablanca, you might find seafood-based Harira, while in the mountainous areas of the Atlas, you'll encounter heartier versions with more meat and legumes. Exploring these regional differences can be a culinary adventure on its own. Traditional cooking methods. Traditional cooking methods. While modern kitchen appliances are readily available, many Moroccans still prepare Harira using traditional cooking methods. Some even prefer to cook it over an open flame, which imparts a unique smoky flavor to the soup. This connection to the past makes each bowl of Harira a taste of history. The role of herbs. Herbs are a crucial element in Harira, providing freshness and aroma. Common herbs used include cilantro and parsley, but some variations might incorporate mint or even fenugreek leaves for a distinct twist. The choice of herbs can vary not only by region but also by personal preference. International popularity. While Harira is a beloved Moroccan dish, it has gained recognition and popularity worldwide. You can now find it on the menus of Moroccan restaurants and even in international cookbooks. It's a testament to the soup's incredible flavors and its ability to bring people together across borders. The art of serving Harira. In Morocco, Harira is typically served with dates to break the fast during Ramadan. This combination of sweet and savory is a delightful contrast. Also, it's customary to enjoy Harira with a side of crusty bread, perfect for soaking up every last bit of the flavorful broth. So, there you have it, folks, the unknown facts of Moroccan Harira soup. It's a dish that not only satisfies your taste buds but also has a deep-rooted history and cultural significance. Next time you savor a bowl of Harira, remember the centuries of tradition and love that go into every spoonful. If you enjoyed learning about the secrets of Harira, Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures. And as always, if you have any other dishes you'd like us to explore, leave your suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.